Okay, so today I'm going to talk about hairline cracks or any type of crack which you think there might be. We use a product from Spaniard, these crack detector cans. It's a 1 to 3 step you need to follow. It's a quick and simple way to ensure that you can quickly find and spot a crack if you need to have to see where a oil leak is or something like that. You can use it on cylinder heads, you can use it on crankshafts. I usually send mine in for a little bit further testing, a little bit deeper testing. Yet again, we are not sponsored. I'm just quickly stating the basics of what we do to ensure on an oil cooler, let's say the oil cooler is leaking, we cannot find the spot where it's leaking. So this was just a test run quickly to show you guys how it more or less looks when you've done it. The crack will show up and it will indicate where the problem lies. Then you can send it in for welding, or if you need be, scrap the product itself. We use it almost on a daily basis. A good product. Buy yourself a couple of cans. Like I said, they're not sponsoring me. I wanted to speak about doing this, keeping these 3 cans in your workshop. There's other products out there as well. Like I said, I like the Spaniard product. They're there for a couple of years now. We use it to quickly see what is wrong, where's the oil coming from, and it's a cheap way to finding something that your naked eye cannot see.